Hello, all the lovely people. Welcome back to Nikhil's Gourmet Food. As you know, it's the fourth day of Ganesh Utsav, so I thought why not let's upload a recipe on how to make chocolate modak, but with a twist. As you know, there are various types of chocolate modak. So today we are making a chocolate modak which is very simple and easy to make, which also requires less ingredients. So let's see the process. Before we move on to the recipe, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications. So we will require quite a few ingredients for this recipe, which will be easily available at your home. So these are the few ingredients required for the recipe. So here I am using two varieties of chocolate. One is milk compound chocolate and one is dark compound chocolate. Both are in equal quantities, that is 1:1. So here we are melting the chocolate by using the double boiler method. So first we are melting the milk chocolate. I'm not going to melt the both chocolates at the same time. Instead I'm going to melt this first. After this I'm going to melt the another one in the same bowl. I'm doing this to ensure that the texture of the chocolate and the consistency of the chocolate gets smooth and silky. With the help of a rubber spatula or a wooden spoon, you should keep mixing it slowly and steadily. Now after partially melting it, keep it on a kitchen platform as I have shown here and continue mixing it, but this time we have to do it quickly. And continue mixing it vigorously as to get the smooth and silky texture and the proper consistency. After mixing it continuously for 4 to 5 minutes, we have achieved the perfect consistency and the texture. Now in the same bowl, add 1 cup of chopped dark chocolate. Please ensure that the chocolate is evenly chopped so that it gets cooked evenly. Follow the same process as we did earlier. Melt it partially on the double boiler, then remove it on the kitchen platform. Keep mixing it with a rubber spatula or a wooden spatula, whichever you prefer. We have to ensure that we get a perfect consistency and the desired texture we want. So while you're mixing, keep on checking for the consistency. If you feel that it has to be mixed more, do it till the perfect consistency is achieved. So this is the perfect consistency and texture we need. So now comes the surprise part. Now we are making a filling for the modak. So heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of ghee to it. Swirl the pan and melt the ghee. Add chopped dry fruits. I have added cashew nuts, almonds, pistas. Also add some desiccated coconut over it. And cook it properly until it gets cooked. Now with the help of a wooden spatula, mix it properly and cook it for around 5 to 6 minutes or until it turns a little golden brown in color. Now after cooking it for 6 minutes, I am going to add 1.5 tablespoon of condensed milk and mix it properly until everything gets combined well. Make sure that you are doing it on a low flame. Mix it for 2 to 3 minutes. So now we are going to shape our modaks. So for that I am using these modak molds which I have brought from the shop near me. You can also use these silicone molds which you may get from your local vendor or online from Amazon, Flipkart. So now we are going to apply ghee to the modak molds so that the modaks come out very easily and quickly. This step is very important. If you don't do it, the modaks will not come out clean. Now we are going to again mix the chocolate to ensure that we get a lump-free chocolate. Now slowly with the help of a spoon, pour the chocolate into the molds. Don't pour it too much, otherwise it will drip. And do this process quickly, as you know, chocolate gets hard very quickly. In the same way, fill the above modak mold and do it quickly. Otherwise, you'll end up setting up the chocolate in the mold. Now we are going to add the filling into the modak. Follow the same quantity and the same process for each and every modak. Now gently close the modak mold. Follow the same process for the bigger modak mold, but this time add a little more quantity to it as the mold is bigger. If you are using this bigger mold, it also has a pin. You can either keep it open or you can lock it. I am not locking it. After filling all the molds, keep them in freezer for around 15 to 20 minutes or until set completely. So after 15 minutes, our modaks are ready. Now we have to carefully demold it or the modaks will lose their shape. After opening it, gently remove it from the bottom, and here is our modak ready. In the same way, remove the other modaks from this mold. Be careful. These are looking so delicious and tempting that I can't control myself, but they are not offered as a prasad to Lord Ganesha yet, so we can't have them. Thank you for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, you can watch my playlist